Welcome back to Decor channel. Today in this video I will show you the modern wardrobe designs for bedrooms. A wardrobe is a large storage unit, often a tile closet, primarily used for storing clothing and accessories. Its purpose is to provide organized and accessible space for keeping clothes, helping to maintain a clutter-free and tidy living environment. The primary function is to store clothes, allowing for easy access and organization. Wardrobes help keep clothes organized, making it easier to find what you need, which saves time especially when you are in a hurry. Wardrobes can be built into walls or freestanding, offering various storage solutions depending on the space available. By providing dedicated storage space, wardrobes help clutter the bedroom and other living areas. In addition to clothes, wardrobe can also store accessories like shoes, belts, and hats. There are many types of wardrobes. Hinged door wardrobe. Doors swing outwards, offering a traditional look and easy access. Sliding door wardrobe. Doors slide horizontally, saving space and suitable for smaller rooms. Walk-in closet. A larger space that can include hanging rods, shelves, and drawers, providing ample storage. Freestanding wardrobe. A movable closet unit that can be placed in any room without built-in storage. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more inspiring home decor content. If you want to ask any kind of question, you can do it in the comment section. Thank you all for watching the video until the end.